Welcome. In this tutorial we are going to look at tips on understanding different types of building drawings. That is, architectural, structural and MEP drawings. Make sure you watch this video till the end. Understanding building drawings can be likened to comprehending human anatomy, as both involve dissecting complex systems into their fundamental components. Just as a human body comprises architecture, the outer form and appearance, structure, the skeletal framework providing support, and MEP, mechanical, electrical, and plumbing systems, analogous to the circulatory and nervous systems, a building drawing similarly breaks down a structure into these essential layers. This parallel allows for a holistic comprehension, where the exterior design, the load-bearing elements, and the intricate network of services are all viewed as interconnected and vital for the overall functionality and integrity, whether it's a living organism or a constructed building. Architectural drawings. These drawings primarily focus on the aesthetic appearance, functionality, and spatial arrangement of a building. They represent the overall design intent and how the building will look and be used. Key components of architectural drawing include location/site plan, floor plans, elevations, sections, roof plan. Please like this video, share and subscribe if you haven't. A site plan is a large-scale drawing that illustrates the full extent of the site for an existing or proposed development, detailing the layout of buildings, infrastructure, and landscaping. Floor plans show the horizontal arrangement of spaces, walls, doors, windows, stairs, and built-in elements for each level. Elevations depict the exterior appearance of the building from each side, front, back, and side. They show vertical dimensions, materials, and architectural features. These drawings detail the load-bearing elements of a building, ensuring its stability, strength, and ability to withstand forces like gravity, wind, and seismic activity. They show how the building will be supported. MEP drawings are comprehensive sets of construction drawings that detail the mechanical, electrical, and plumbing systems required for building permits and construction projects. MEP drawings include various types such as duct layouts, ventilation points, and thermal zones, all crucial for the seamless integration of systems in a structure. In the next video, I am going to look at how to interpret architectural drawings.